Hey everyone. Real quick, I wanted to cover a topic that's often misunderstood in the mortgage process, and that's what are we actually pre-approving you guys for? So the common misconception is we're doing purchase price. I'm guilty of this, realtors are guilty of this, borrowers are guilty of this, but they want to know, hey, am I pre-approved up to 500,000, 600,000, whatever it may be? But what we're actually pre-approving you for is the payment amount. And that has to go with, the debt to income ratio and how we're looking at what you can actually afford a total house payment at. So two different examples we'll look at is one is, first house payment, a 500K loan. Let's say they put 20% down, so there's no mortgage insurance, at a 7% rate, which is rates are right about there, unfortunately, right now for good borrowers. The principal and interest alone would be about $33.27 per month on a $500,000 loan. The property taxes, let's say they're $200 a month. Homeowners insurance, let's say $75 a month. So that total payment that we're qualifying that person for on that house is $3602. Now let's look at another house for the same purchase price. They're getting the same loan, putting the same amount down with the same exact setup. Principal and interest, again, $33.27. Property taxes at this place, let's say they're in an area with a higher property tax rate. It's $300 at this house. Homeowner insurance, maybe there's a property with more on it. Maybe there's outbuildings. Maybe there's more acreage. Homeowner insurance for this one's $125. And this one actually has an HOA, a homeowners association, and there's a $100 a month fee for that. So that total payment is $38.52. So the same exact price for the house, purchase price, payment of $250 difference. And when we qualify people, we have to look at all that stuff. So that's why it's very important when you're shopping for a home to make sure you send the exact listing to your lender, and that way they can dial in and see what you can qualify for that specific home, because there's going to be things that vary from house to house. And that's why it's a little irresponsible just give people blanket pre-approval amounts unless you're building them some cushion in there, so that way they don't have a chance of not qualifying anymore. So if you have any questions about that or anything at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or any Mann Mortgage Central Oregon office. Have a great day, everybody.